In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block out times on Calendly. Blocking out time is really useful when you don't want people booking meetings during certain parts of your day, like lunch breaks, focus time, or personal appointments. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly adjust your availability and keep your calendar under control. Start by opening your browser and going to your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Calendly dashboard. This is the page where you usually see your event types and scheduling links. From here, we're going to move into the section that controls when people can actually book time with you. Look towards the top or side navigation and find the option labeled Availability. Go ahead and click on Availability. This is where Calendly stores your schedules, like your working hours, and any recurring availability rules you've set up. Think of it as the master control panel for when you're bookable. On the availability page, you'll see a list of days, along with time ranges that show when you're available for meetings. Each of these time ranges is called an interval. For example, you might see something like 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. and then another interval from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. If there's a time interval you don't want to offer anymore, you can block it out completely. To do that, look for the small X icon next to the day and time interval you want to remove. Click on that X. As soon as you click it, that block of availability disappears, and people will no longer be able to book meetings during that time. This is perfect if, for instance, you no longer want to take any meetings on Friday afternoons, or you've decided to reserve your mornings for deep work. If you don't want to remove an entire interval and just need to fine-tune the start or end time, you can do that as well. Instead of clicking the X, click directly into the time field for that day. You'll be able to edit the specific start and end times. For example, you could change 9:00 a.m. to 10:00 a.m. so your meetings start later, or move the end time earlier to finish your call sooner. Once you adjust these times, Calendly automatically updates your schedule, and any new bookings will follow these updated rules. And that's all you need to do to block out times on Calendly and customize your availability to match your real schedule.